Success is no accident. We have to work hard and study together. Please help yourself. Thank you. Excuse me. Please. Thanks.
Hello, little learners. I'm so glad you're here to practice your English reading with me today. We're going to learn all about the importance of being polite. It's going to be great.
All right, are you ready to begin? Let us read together.
So here's what we're going to do. Please listen carefully. I will read each sentence 2 times, and then it's your turn to repeat after me. Ready? Let's get started. To start, we're going to read through a short, polite conversation. This will show us some really useful phrases. Okay, here's the first one. Excuse me, move aside, please. I'll say that one more time. Excuse me, move aside, please. Now it's your turn. Go on.
And in Urdu, that sentence means, माफ कीजिए, जरा एक तरफ हो जाएं, please.
Well done. All right, here's the next part. Oh, sorry, I am standing in the way. I did not realize. Let's hear that again. Oh, sorry, I am standing in the way. I did not realize. Okay, your turn to try. So what does this mean? It means, oh, माफ कीजिए, मैं रास्ते में खड़ा था, मुझे मालूम नहीं था. You're doing a wonderful job. Let's continue. It is all right, you can sit over there. One more time. It is all right, you can sit over there. Now, can you say that for me?
And the meaning in Urdu is, कोई बात नहीं, आप वहाँ बैठ सकते हैं.
Excellent reading. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Can I please read that newspaper? Listen again. Thank you. Can I please read that newspaper? Now let's hear you say it.
शुक्रिया. क्या मैं please वो अखबार पढ़ सकता हूँ?
Very good. And the reply is, please, help yourself. It is polite of you to ask. One last time for this one. Please, help yourself. It is polite of you to ask. Your turn. And that means, ज़रूर, खुद ले लें. पूछना अच्छी आदत है. Just wonderful. You did so well with that conversation. Now, let's read some sentences that explain why it is so important to always be polite. Here's our next sentence. I always try to be polite. Listen closely again. I always try to be polite. Okay, go ahead and try it. And in Urdu, that is, मैं हमेशा बाअदब रहने की कोशिश करता हूँ. What a wonderful thing to say. Let's try this one. My parents and teachers taught me to be polite. And again, my parents and teachers taught me to be polite. You can do it. Let's hear you. And this means, मेरे वालिदैन और اساتذہ ने मुझे अदब सिखाया. All right, next sentence. I thank Allah for it. One more time. I thank Allah for it. Let's say it together. In Urdu we say, मैं इस पर अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करता हूँ. Very, very good. Here's a lovely thing to say to someone. May Allah bless you. Listen once more. May Allah bless you. And now you. This is a beautiful prayer for someone. It means, Allah aapko barkat de. That's such a kind and polite thing to wish for others. And when somebody says that beautiful prayer for us, we can reply by saying, Ameen. Let's all say that together now, nice and clear. Ameen. That was absolutely fantastic. You have all been wonderful readers today. Very good. Please remember this very important lesson. We should always be polite. Thank you so much for reading with me today. Goodbye.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Khan Children Academy.